Welcome. Today we will discuss the class Administrative Law and the topic Principles of Natural Justice. You know, this is very important topic in administrative law. Whenever a quasi-judicial officer is going to take decision adverse to any citizen, then the first procedure is that he should follow some fundamental rules regarding administration, that is principles of natural justice. Principles of natural justice in this way very important. The God says that this is fundamental rule in eternal word also, that at least one opportunity should be provided if the authority is going to take any adverse decision against a person. See, this is principles of natural justice is divided into let the other side be heard. Let the other side be heard. Voice means nobody can be judged in his own cause, in his own cause. Reasonable decision either by speaking or this has three parts. That is, let the other side be heard. Before deciding the case, the important thing is the other party should be heard. If he is being punished unheard, then it will be gross violation of rule of law. Hearing includes oral hearing, cross-examination, pre-decisional hearing, as well as post-decisional hearing also. In the limb of hearing, there is cross-examination 2. In this way, cross-examination should be included. Audi alteram partem, let the other side be heard. The party on other side should not be punished unheard. It is basic principle then first thing comes into existence is principle of notice. The person in charge should provide an opportunity to be heard. If he is not listening, then it is the gross violation of principle of natural justice. उसको सुनने के लिए इसीलिए एक नोटिस दिया जाता है। नोटिस का मतलब सूचना। सूचना भी उसके रजिस्टर्ड एड्रेस पे दिया जा सकता है या उसके आसपास जहाँ पर वह व्यक्ति रहता है या कार्य करता है वहाँ पर उसकी सूचना को प्रिंट किया जा सकता है। हियरिंग का मतलब है कि जिस व्यक्ति को जिसके खिलाफ आप निर्णय लेने जा रहे हैं उसको सुनवाई का अवसर दीजिए, उसको सुनिए। हियरिंग। इसके अलावा इस बिंदु पर बहुत से केसेस हैं, जैसे स्टेट ऑफ ओडिशा वर्सेस बीना पानी गई, मेनका गांधी वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया। इन मेनका गांधी वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, the court decided that if a person didn't provided opportunity to heard, then he may be heard after the decision taken. So in this case, post decisional hearing was supplemented to pre-decisional hearing also. In Olga Teles, it was decided that it is their human right. They should be heard before any action should be taken. Oral or personal hearing. This is included in natural justice. Oral or personal hearing is the part and parcel of natural justice. Another topic is right of counsel. If a person is not eligible to say something, or if a person is not provided a company with a right of counsel, then he should be provided a counsel with sufficient representation. Right of friend. Right of a person to whom they should be heard if he is not accompanied with friend, then they should be provided an opportunity to hear. In A.K. Roy versus Union of India, this opportunity was provided to let them per. In Hiranath Mishra versus Principal Rajendra Medical College, the case was decided that on complaint of few girls, certain actions were proposed against few persons. The principal rejected their right to call for cross-examination. In this way, hearing may have so many limbs, so at least certain parameters should be fulfilled. The other topic is the principle of bias. Bias means tilting of person. No man can be allowed to be judged in his own cause. Another principle is justice should not only be done but manifestly and undoubtedly be seen to be done. Undoubtedly be seen to be done. Another topic is the judges, like Caesar's wife, should be above suspicion. एक व्यक्ति जो निर्णय ले रहा है उसको संदेह से कोसों दूर होना चाहिए. टाइप्स ऑफ बायस. बायस 3 प्रकार का होता है. नंबर 1 पिक्यूनियरी बायस, नंबर 2 पर्सनल बायस, नंबर 3 ऑफिशियल बायस. पिक्यूनियरी बायस का मतलब है इट इज वेल सेटल्ड दैट एज रिगार्ड्स pecuniary interest, the least pecuniary interest in the subject matter of the litigation will disqualify any person from acting as a judge. Griffith and Street rightly stated that a pecuniary interest, however slight, will disqualify even though it is not proved that the decision is in any way affected. In this way, we find that there is every possibility that bias may be done. Another topic is personal bias. Personal bias refers the second type of personal one is number of circumstances in which bias may be committed. In the state of UP versus Muhammad Noor, the case was provided that a departmental inquiry was held. Later on it was found that the person deciding the case was the party of the same case. In this way, it was decided that this case, that is in A.K. Kripa versus Union of India, the court found that the person should not be entangled with the party. He should be above the suspicious conditions. Another heading is official bias. Official bias refers that if any one of the contesting parties was affiliated with the same, then they will be decided with the same. In Gullapalli case, matter was again find real likelihood of bias. Then this way there is every possibility that they should not have done or committed biasness. In this way, bias is the principle that when the person is deciding the case, he should not have committed the same wrong. Another topic is topic of speaking order. In this topic, if the authority concerned is not giving speaking order, then they will be committed that it is wrong. So they will not have an opportunity to avail this type to evade this type of biddings. Object of speaking order or reasoned decision is that if the case come to the higher authority, then they should not have denied the same opportunity. Another benefit is that the concerned authority who has right to decide, they should accompany with the same issues. In this way, these three topics, that is the topic of hearing, the topic of bias, rule against bias, and the third topic, that is speaking order, rule against bias, the speaking order. They formulate this complete doctrine of natural justice. This way, when the person is about to decide the case, then they should have these three topics in their mind. Thank you.